Hi, I'm Leeanna and I work in the Danforth location of Proactive. And I wanted to just take some time today to briefly discuss how pelvic physiotherapy plays a really lovely role in supporting parents who've had a C-section. So following a C-section, especially in the very early stages, I find that there's even more help and more reassurance that can be provided around this time. It's not unexpected for someone to feel that they're having numbness, tingling, a feeling of tightness and tension around that scar. And so what we want to do is just to try to reassure our clients by giving them options, thinking about the way they're holding their body, posture, alignment, helping to support them with some early stretches and options that they can do to help open up what we would say gently the anterior chain of the body, and also helping them kind of learn how to get back online with their deep inner core muscles. Let's say working on some diaphragmatic breathing, helping them reconnect to the motion and mobility of the pelvic muscles, helping them access the deep inner transverse abdominals. And this can be provided even through a virtual care session in those early weeks when you just might not feel like you have the energy to make it to the clinic. Usually around 6 weeks and following, that's when an in-person session is very valuable, as we can monitor and look at the scar itself. We can see how it's healing. We can talk a little bit about indirect massage techniques and strategies for desensitization, which might involve using different textures to gently touch or stroke over the abdomen to really help promote healing and calming the nerves. So there's a variety of different ways that we can support this group and help them feel like they have more connection to their body as it's healing, and more connection to their strength and stability, so that they can feel they're healing well and better able to look after themselves, but also help support their baby in those early months of postpartum. So be sure to book with us today.